all, it's Kelly Culligan Pangman, or Miss Kelly to you. You can pick, or Miss Pangman. Just be polite. I wanted to say welcome. And for today, the very first thing I wanted to go over with you is how to get a hold of me. You might be new to ICON, I know I am, or you could be here for 2 or 3 years. But the bigger thing is you might have to have a reminder, and I also really want to hear from you. So we'll hit student login. I have a couple. So the big thing for you is to get logged in. Mine always asks if I want to update mine, and I don't. So the first thing is messages, and I reviewed this, and you need to really read your messages each day and respond to them. You have all messages, you've got your inbox, you can archive some, but the first one is compose. You'll see your teachers here, and obviously I don't really have any teachers, but you're going to click your teacher. You're going to pick a great subject line. All right, we really need to know what the subject line is. And then you're going to hit compose. Your compose area needs to be full sentences, and they need to not be like you're writing on a phone. All right, no text talk. Really explain what it is that you need, and you'll hit send. Now there's another area. You'll hit learn, and this is your course area. You'll be able to hit this small little spot here. And this is a kind of a nice one. It goes by your courses. And what do you need help with? Be super specific about what you need help with. Again, full sentences, right to the point. What is it that you need help with? Now, there is a third area. This one is even zooms in more on what you need help with. So give me a second. I came into my engineering course, and at the bottom here, you're going to see where there's another area, asks for help. Right. And what you might notice is you've got different types of questions, and you might not know how to answer the questions, or you might simply have a question about the question. You might not have known where to find this particular answer because you can go back into the course. All right. So right here, ask for help. What did you need help with about this question? Specific, really tight on this question. Again, full sentences, ask the specific question, and then you'll hit send. So as soon as you start typing, it will then hit send, or the send button will turn on, and then you'll ask your question. Now I did something. I thought that I could come back over here, come back to my questions, and that didn't work. And I couldn't come over here. I could come back to the questions or back to my message area, but when I was in here, I couldn't figure out how to get back to my courses. I'm new. I come back to my courses this way. All right. Last thing I want to show you very quickly is over here in the help area. You have a great help area that kind of, again, comes really specific to this. And if you don't know this little trick, it's Control F, and you can come up here to the cursor, and you might want to remember how to get to messages. And if you hit enter, it's going to bring you right down here. All right, Control F on any page will bring you specifically right to whatever your question's about. Thank you.